Hi guys, Prasad here. In my previous video, I explained SpringBoot CRUD application, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Junit test cases. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same SpringBoot CRUD application to write test cases for it. So in my uh, previous video, I explained this controller, the service, and DAO. So today I'm going to write unit test cases for these classes. First, I will start with DAO, then I will go to service. If time permits, I will go to controller also. If you learn DAO and service, you can simply write a controller. That's not a big deal actually. So before starting it, we have to have two dependencies in the bounded XML. That is SpringBoot starter test and JUnit dependency. We don't need to mention version here, so that will be taken care by parent. Okay, so let's get into it. If you see my test Java is empty, so I'm going to create package here. I'm going to use same package as same as my DAO as I'm going to write test cases for my DAO. So I will create a package in test Java as a same package as my DAO class. Okay. Then in this, I'm going to write test case for employee DAO class. So I will name the test class as employee DAO test. Okay. Then here I have to write one annotation runway. And in this, we have to provide one class, Spring Runner dot class. Then right now I am going to write test cases for this employee DAO. So I have to take this class as a dependent in this class. So private employee DAO, and I will make it as DAO. So as I'm going to write test cases for this class, I have to write one annotation here @inject marks. And if you see this class, in this class, we have one dependency here. JdbcTemplate is the dependency inside the employee DAO class. So we have to take this as a mark dependency in this test class. So simply we have to give that variable as @mark. So as we are writing test cases for DAO, we have written in @inject marks, and this JdbcTemplate is a dependent inside this employee DAO. We are marking it. So this will be injected into DAO class as a marked object. Now in employee DAO class, we have add employee, and we have get employee, and we have update, delete, and get all. First, I will write the test case for this add employee. Public void test and we have to annotate this method with @test. So if you see, I've given this is a method I'm going to write test case for add employee of employee DAO. Just simply I added this test keyword before this method just to know this is a test method. We can use anything, either we can add at the end also. So just for sake of the demonstration, I added before. Anything we can do. So in this method, and if you see, for add employee, we need employee object. So let's create that object here. Employee. And in employee class, we have to set few data. So this is the object. So in the employee DAO class, we are using JdbcTemplate update method. So we need to mark this method, and we have to do operation based on our requirement. We should not go to DB and do the operation. Just we need to test our code. So we need to mark this method of employee JdbcTemplate. We need to mark update method of JdbcTemplate. So to do that, we have to use Mockito dot when dot update. These are the methods. So here we have to use Mockito dot any of a statement creator dot class. And here Mockito any of key holder dot class. When this happens, we have to write then answer here invocation. This will be the parameter. It will be. But I am doing a return null here. So here we have to take invocation dot get argument of 1. And here we will get this one, creator. And simply we have to call p dot create connection. As we need connection here, we need to mark the connection also. Connection. So we can do that parameter here. Once that is done, it will return 1. So once we write this mark method of this JdbcTemplate update, then we can call our original method dot add employee. Add employee of job. This will give integer key. So we can write asset greater not equal to 0. So once we write like this, we can go here. We can select run as JUnit test. If you see run configuration, here we have to select JUnit 4 and run. Okay, once we run that, here we can see one test case. There is an issue. This is 0. Let's try that way. Okay. When as we are using the connection at this prepare statement, we have to mark this method also actually. So here Mockito dot when connection dot which method we are using for qualifying Mockito dot any string, and here we can use one string. Then we can simply throw that. Then we can return. What is that? We can return replace statement. So that also we need to mark. Return replace statement. So once we got the replace statement, it will be done, I think. So let's run this. Let's try this. Any int. Let's try this one. As J. Null pointer. Okay. Key holder dot get key. So as we have, I think this also we need to do something with it. Let's see that. So as we receive key holder here, we have to mark that key holder dot set. Okay. Dot add we need one map. So it is expecting string of object. Okay. Object. Map dot add Yeah, we got the success. So let's debug what we got here. Debug our JUnit test. So we got the generated key as 1. So if I return the generated key as 6, we should get 6. Yeah, we got 6. So this is how we can write test cases for any update operations. So this is our method, add employee method, which takes employee object, and this key holder object I am creating, and I am passing to update method. So what it will do is it will perform DB operation, and as you see in my previous video, the ID for this insertion is a auto-generated ID. So that auto-generated ID, JdbcTemplate will get it, and that will put it in a holder object. So from the holder object, we can get that generated key from the DB. So for that, as I'm marking a JdbcTemplate update method, and as I'm marking this connection prepare statement, I am able to get that data. Whatever I'm passing from the marked object, we are getting those objects, those data into our code. So this means that we can successfully tested add employee method. So this code we tested end to end in this method. So if you run as a code coverage, we can see how much code coverage we did for this add employee method. I didn't run for coverage as JUnit. Okay. Okay, now it's yeah. If you see, for add employee, it is completely covered, but for other methods, it is not covered because I didn't write test cases for it. So if you see code coverage, for this code coverage, I am using one tool called ECL. By using that tool, when we right click and when we see this coverage as option will come. If I don't install ECL, I don't see this option. So for that, you can see that you can install that plugin in Eclipse, so you can see this option. Okay, then like this, I covered for this add employee method. Now I will write for get employee. So this method I will write. Public void test here I am using JdbcTemplate.query object, query method, right? So that one I have to mark it. And I have to mark result set also. It is any string any string and so it represents any object you can pass. The class should be the class. Then return what it will return employee object. Employee object. So this will create you will return that employee. Simply you can add suppress warnings to function or that method that will go. So we successfully marked that JdbcTemplate query object, query function, query method. Then I will mark this result set also. No, so 1 second. I have to do something here. Here, then answer. It is invocation. Yeah, no, for time being, I'm doing to keep the compilation error. So here we have to get the paste statement first. This paste statement and after paste statement dot set values. This paste statement setup. Set values of the paste statement. That is done. And we need result set mock object also. Result set. And here it will give result set to us. So when okay, result set. Okay, here instead of mocking, you have to pass result set itself. No. Structure. And here we will get results set extract. So okay, then result set. So R dot extract data or result set. Oh, this from MySQL. So it is doing now it should be from SQL package. That's fine. Okay, this will be employee object. So before that, this we can simply return here. This will return extra here. Okay. Before that, we need to mark result set. Mockito dot then result set dot next call. Then you have to return. Then return true. So same if same method second time call, you have to return false. So in the first iteration, it will be true. Okay, first. Okay, anyway, we are using only once. Then it's fine. Okay, and we are calling get int. So that also we have to do. Okay. We copy this. This employee object is not required. Yeah. Employee ID. So it will be 1 like so this will be the return value from this extract method. Now we call our original method get employee of something of everyone. Then, then we will write asset equals first means employee dot get first. Now we will run as Junit. Okay, successfully. Oh, only add with the card. Okay, I didn't put under test here. That's why I didn't come. So we have to keep under test. Then only JNet will consider this as a test case. Okay, we got a failure. Last exception. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it should be 1 and this should be 2 because this is the first parameter, right? String is the first parameter. This is the index is 0. Like that it works. Yeah, we got success. Let's debug. You will see employee object populated with this mount values or not. If you see, all the values are populated based on the mount values. Yes, working perfectly fine. Let me run code coverage also do this. How much code coverage is it? If you see, we are able to cover add method and get method. But update, delete, get all method, we did write test cases. So that's why it is showing no coverage on that. So that's how we can say. And if you see code coverage here, if you go here in the DAO class is covered 55%. And if you see methods, get all employees not covered, add employee 100%, get employee 100% covered. So the tool is ECL. If you go to marketplace, let me show you that to install the plugins. Yeah, this is a plugin I am talking about. This is a plugin I am using for code coverage. I already installed, that's why it is showing install here. So if you want to see the code coverage, you can take this plugin and install in Eclipse. And once you restart, you can see run this coverage as well. Then once coverage as, you can select run as JUnit like that. So if you go to test class, you can see that option. Even you can select this project and you can do JUnit test as a coverage. So it will take all the classes from the test packages and it will run the test cases. So if you see, this is a code coverage. So if you remove, let me show you the test case of this get again. So what I have done is, if you see the get method, so here we are calling JdbcTemplate query method, and on top of this result set, you are calling next method and you are calling get integration, right? So these methods I am marking here. I'm marking next method to return to, get into return value, get string to return value. So after marking the result set, I'm marking the JdbcTemplate. So once I mark this, I can call my original method. Then I will try to get the value employee object, and I can assert whether the object is having the marked values or not. So that's how we can write test cases for this DAO layer. As I don't have that much time today, so I can write test cases for this service class in next video, guys. In next video, I will try to cover service and controller. So that's all about this video, guys. Thanks. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.